Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and open the camera app. This puts you in direct control. Once done, make sure location and microphone permissions are allowed if you plan to record video with sound, because permission affects metadata and audio capture. Next, select photo mode and pick 1x or 0. 5 for wide framing so you frame subjects correctly. Use the grid to align horizons and tap to set focus. Doing this early makes exposures consistent. Now you refine composition and control light. You should enable the grid and use the level to keep horizons straight because composition makes pictures look professional. Then tap the subject to set focus and slide the sun icon to adjust exposure. If you need steady settings, press and hold to lock AE/AF. Also switch lenses, 0. 5 for landscapes, 1x for general shots, 2x for portraits to control perspective. As you adjust, pause and review the preview to confirm color and detail. Finish by capturing with intent. Press shutter for a single shot, hold for burst when subjects move, or use quick take to record video instantly. Make sure to use the timer or tripod for stable group shots and toggle stabilization if you walk while filming because it smooths motion. Once captured, open photos to crop, adjust exposure, and apply filters non-destructively so you can revert changes. If images look off, reset settings. If problems persist, restart the camera app as a quick troubleshoot tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.